Disassembly and cleaning. Now we will show you how to disassemble the machine for cleaning. First, remove the splash guard from the top of the door. Next, raise the cam lock and open the door. The door to this machine is solid metal and is very heavy. We recommend having both hands on either side when lifting up and off the door. Next, remove the beater. The beater has spring-loaded scraper blades on it, so pull it out gently. Make sure that you use both hands when taking out the beater, taking care not to drop the back of the beater down onto the cylinder. Dropping the beater onto the cylinder could cause dents and scratches that could damage the beater blade, therein disfiguring the cylinder. Next, we will remove the spill tray, then the drip tray, and finally the stand. The splash guard has a built-in spill door. To remove the spill door, simply squeeze it until one of the sides can be pulled out of the splash guard, as shown here. Now we will disassemble the main door. Rotate the cam lock and slide the extraction door forward. Use the O-ring removal tool to remove the O-ring from the bottom of the shaft, and then slide the cam lock down and remove it from the shaft. Flip the extraction door over and remove its O-ring. Next, flip the door over and remove the main O-ring of the batch door. Now we will disassemble the beater. First, remove the shaft seal from the back of the beater. Then remove the scraper blades. Each scraper blade has 2 rubber O-rings and 2 springs that will need to be removed for proper cleaning of the machine. On the beater, there are holes where the scraper blades are housed. When cleaning the machine, you will need to clean these holes by using the small cleaning brush that is shipped with the machine. Now that all of the machine parts have been disassembled, you must clean each of them using lukewarm water. Do not use hot water when cleaning the parts of this machine. Each part is designed for very low temperatures, and hot water could damage them beyond repair. It is also recommended that you do not use an automatic dishwasher, as most dishwashers have some sort of high heat mode that all cycles go through. Now that all of the parts are cleaned, they can be reassembled and re-lubricated using the recommended Carpigiani lubricant. First, we will install the extraction door. When reinstalling the extraction door gasket, note that one side of the gasket is flat and the other side is V-shaped. The flat side fits inside of the door and the V-shaped side faces outside, towards the machine. Now lubricate the exposed side of the extraction door gasket. Then place the door back into its place and reinstall it using the cam lock, as shown here. Finally, replace the O-ring on the bottom of the shaft and lubricate it liberally. Now we will flip the door and install the door gasket. Simply lay the gasket flat into the groove and run along the length of it with your finger, setting it into place. Then lubricate it. Now you can replace the beater door, once more remembering to hold it with both hands. Next, we will reassemble the beater. Notice that the Maestro's beater is different from other Carpigiani machines' beaters. The Maestro beater has notches cut out along the back of the beater blades because there is a temperature probe in the back of the cylinder. The Maestro cannot use other machines' beater blades without damaging the sensor and therein damaging the rest of the machine. Once you have reassembled and re-lubricated the scraper blades, you may reinsert them into the beater. While reinserting the scraper blades, take a moment to inspect them for wear. There is an uprising in the makeup of the scraper that is the cutting edge. Once the cutting edge has worn down to the base, the scraper needs to be replaced. Now lubricate the back of the beater where the seal is placed. Replace the seal and lubricate the seal itself. Now that all the parts are lubricated and reassembled, you may reinstall the beater into the cylinder of the machine. When reinstalling the beater, you will have to squeeze in on the scraper blades to make them fit inside the cylinder. Finally, you will reattach the splash guard onto the loading door, then reinstall the swivel pin.